Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add and delete Google account on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Now from here, just tap on manage accounts and tap on add account. Now just select Google. From here, just enter your Gmail address. Now, once you have entered your Gmail address, just tap on Next. Now, just enter the password of your Gmail address. Now, once you have entered the password of your Gmail address, just tap on Next. Now, from here, just scroll down and tap on I agree. Now, as you can see, we have successfully added our Google account on our smartphone. Now, to delete the Google account, just tap on the Google account which you want to delete and tap on Remove Account. From here, just tap on Remove. Now, as you can see, this is how you can add and delete Google account on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.